Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have this color splash paper from Recollections, which I've had for a while, so I don't know if it's still available, but it's made to resist ink, and I thought it would be really cool to use it with these Twinkling H2O's that I got from my friend Diana, and I am super excited to try these. I cannot believe it's taken me so long to actually get my hands on these. I have just not been in the place to do it, but now I feel like I want to do it, and I'm just going to pick out a paper. And I thought that I'd bring you guys along so that we could do it together, and then I'm going to do another video and actually make some cards, like a one-sheet wonder from the sheet that I use. And maybe I'm going to use, so you can't even see the pattern on this, but it's there. But I think I might use this gold. That's kind of neat. And I think that that would make some neat cards. So I'm going to just pull this sheet out if I can. Well, goodness. And I'm going to clear off my desk of all of the fun stuff that I have to use for some cards. I haven't done anything with these yet, but I thought that I would use them for some of these cards. So they're going to be fun and a little bit all over the place. And I haven't used these, but she says if you've never used these before, you're in for a treat. Add water to the pots and paint away. So I'm just going to open some up and add water. I actually have a spritzer of water, so I think I might just use this. I don't know how much water, so these are so cool. I've used something like this before, so I think, because I remember doing this, but it's not these. But how cool is this? Twinkling H2O's. And they are by creativeimaginations.us. I don't know what color I want. I was just going to do a couple of them, but now that I'm seeing them, who knows what color I'll want. A little bit came on the side here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. Don't want to waste any of the color. And let's go ahead and paint a little bit. Wow, okay, that's really cool so far. I'm gonna, whoops, do some more. I don't know if I'm gonna do the white color just because it's white paper. Oh, this is like a really pretty red. But then again, you never know until you try, right? All right, so I'm just gonna have all of them out like that, and I will use every color so that I can see what the colors are. And I started with this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some more of this one. And it leaves like a shimmery color. Can you guys see that shimmer? How cool is that? And it's really kind of therapeutic to be able to color. And I don't know if I should have done the middle part, so I'm going to skip the middle part on this one and just do these. I really like this color. It's like an olive green or maybe an army green. And this is an aqua painter for those of you that may not be familiar. It's just a pen that you, or a paintbrush that you put water in, and you can use it to paint or whatever, and then when you need to change the color you just clean it off and you can use a new color. It's awesome. I love this thing. I have them in different sizes. I even have different brands, and they all work about the same. I don't even know that there's a brand that I would suggest over another because they're all pretty great. Now I did get a lot of water on that one, so I've got to be, I don't even know if you need to use an aqua brush. You might even just be able to use just a regular dry paintbrush, because once you've gotten that wet, it's pretty, I think it works. You may want to have like a Kleenex or something close by. I thought I had some tissue. I'm gonna go grab one. Okay, I got some paper towel. I'm just gonna use it to dab up some of the excess. I need to be careful not to get my sweater in it. This is so neat. So I don't know if any of you guys like to color, but if you do, I would recommend something like this because it is really fun, and the paintbrush really makes it easy, I think. So I've heard some people have a hard time with it, but I've never had a hard time with it, and I don't know, I mean, I don't do anything special. I think you need to make sure you don't put too much water, or like, I don't even really push it unless it's totally dry, but you can push it to make the water come out, and I would recommend not pushing it, just holding it like you would a regular pen, and that seems to work pretty well for me. So I don't know if you can see, but I painted all of those little areas green, and now I'm going to switch the color. So I'm just going to, now I will push it a little bit to get some of the water out so that I can make sure that it's clean, and once it's brushing dry, I'm ready for a new color. So I'm going to go for this pink just because I love pink, and there's these hearts here, and I might do one set pink and one set red. So I'll skip that one. And I'll do this one. So I'm going to just paint away, and then I will bring you back after I'm done, but I will put it on fast forward so you can see as I go along. Okay, so you can see I changed my mind during the process. I was going to color each little part, but it just got to be too crazy. And I kind of just like the whole big colors. And you can see how pretty it is. And you can even mess up with this paper, and it will kind of go off of the gold and go to the paper part. So it's kind of neat. Here's the back side. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm just cleaning my brush. I did have to refill it with some water, and it could probably use a little more again. Actually, it could definitely use a little more again, so I might just take it to the sink and fill it up Or I guess I could just fill it up again with this and then take this to the sink and fill it up. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, and then you will hopefully see it in a one sheet wonder. So that's what I'm planning on doing. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.